Okay YouTube, this is your boy Mark from L.S.V Reviews, back again another video. And today, I'll be doing a review of a Bluetooth speaker. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, notification bell, to notify new videos. Tell a friend, and once we get to that 2,000 subscriber mark, I'll be doing some giveaways of some of the products I've reviewed right here on the channel. Alright, but stay tuned to the end of the video so I can give you some more information on that once we get that 2,000 subscriber mark. Alright, so stay tuned through the whole video, and also go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, it's free, it don't cost anything, it's easy. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button, and it helps the channel, and you'll be part of this beautiful journey we on. Alright, it's simple. Go ahead and touch it. See, subscribe, easy. Alright, now we got all that business and politicking out of the way. Let's go ahead and get to the video. Alright, again, this is your boy Mark for L.S.V Reviews, back again with another video. And today I'm gonna be doing a review of a Bluetooth speaker. Now, this is not the latest in the Sony's lineup of their Bluetooth speaker. This is one that's been out about a year or two or whatever, because the newer version is the XB32. I have with me right now is the Sony wireless Bluetooth speaker. It's the SRS-XB31. And the reason why I picked this bad boy up, because it was on sale at my local PX. So for the military, members out there, you know what the PX and BX is, exchange online. That's the military store. They had a price that I just couldn't pass up, because this speaker was running $149. Now that they're trying to push the newer model, they had it on sale for $49. That's total price. That's because there's no taxes at that store, so $49. So I was like, you know what? I ain't gonna pass this up. A speaker that's always been sitting on the shelves for $149. I think some stores that you go to, my Best Buy, if they still have them, they're still sitting up at that price. Now they go on sale here and there, but some of these stores still have them at that big price. So I had to pick it up. $49. Oh yeah, and plus I had a $20 coupon, so I only got it for $29. Come on, man! I had to save them greenbacks. I had to go get it, man. I had to. I can't pass up a good deal like that. So anyway, let me stop all the rambling enough. Let me tell you about the speaker. All right, I opened it briefly, but I didn't open it all the way. So this is gonna be, one of the reviews when we've seen it together first for the first time together. All right. It's the SRS-XB31 Bluetooth speaker. You see the box, and this is the only colorway they had left. So that's another reason probably why it was so discounted. Brand new, extra bass, Bluetooth, and they have the app to go with it. You can use the app and have that app, and it says IP67 certified, 24-hour battery life, live sound. You got the lights on there, party booster, 11 right channel, and it can work with you can connect to other speakers. So I already have two other Sony speakers. I should have brought them out, but let's go ahead and open this one up. Show you the side of the box. It shows you here the side of the box, extra bass. That's where the XB comes from, extra bass. And you can pause this and read it for yourself. Gives you some of the information about the speaker right here. I'll read off a few of them right here. Waterproof and dustproof. Live sound mode. Tap and express your lighting sound, so you can bang it around and stuff like that and make little sound effects, whatever. Wireless party chain, up to 100 speakers, and USB port for smartphones, so you can charge your smartphone with it. It charges most with USB power sources. All right, long battery life, lighting for the party, speaker add function, and speakerphone. All right, and it's made for iPod and iPhone right here. You can see it right here. All right, let's go ahead and get this bad boy out the box, man. I've been having it sitting around here for over a week or two. Let's go open it up. As you see, right, you open it up, you see the little stuff on here is telling you about the speaker right here. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box and see what you get. I got the blue colorway. Let's set the speaker to the side. See what else we got in the box. We got our little pamphlets and instructions. And more instructions, and you got a micro USB cable. Alright, so I'm gonna set these instructions off to the side, see what else is in the box, see if anything's under here. Nope, nothing else is in the box. So let's set the box to the side for a minute and get the bad boy out of the plastic. Alright, at first sight of the speaker, I think it's a nice looking speaker. Just right out of the box looking at it, I think it is a nice looking speaker. Got the blue colorway, got the lighting, ring goes all the way around here and the sides, on the bottom. Got your little Sony branding right here. On the bottom you got some rubber stoppers, 4 rubber stoppers on the bottom so it won't move with that bass. Let's see what up top. And you got NFC on here, so if you got NFC function on your phone, you can go ahead and pair it using NFC. You got your play and pause button, got your volume down and volume up button, and you have your power button and pairing button right here. Alright, let's go to the back of it. It's the same both sides. Let's go to the back of it, open up this waterproof flap, and here is some of the guts to it. I call it the guts. You got the like a USB-A, you got the USB-A slot right here, and you have the micro USB for charging it. So this is where you can put your phone in. You want to charge up, use it as a power bank to charge up your phone, you could do so. Here's your battery light button right here, WPC button, and an add button if you want to add another speaker to it. And you have a little reset button right here. You probably have to stick like a little pin in it to reset. And then you have a 3.5mm jack slot so you can go ahead and put you can daisy chain another one to it, or if you have like an old device like an iPod or something, you want to plug it in directly instead of Bluetooth, you can do it that way. So alright, there's a few of those few of that right there. So I just wanted to show you from this angle how it looks, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you from a front facing angle and go ahead and pair it up. Alright, hold tight. Okay, we're back with a different angle. Alright, I got the speaker all set up. I got it synced up and everything to my Samsung Note 8. Also, there's the app, and I'm going to show you the app in a minute. But I want to go ahead and get to the sound so you can see how it sounds and everything. Like I said, I showed you earlier. I'm going to show you the speaker also again. Like I said, you have lights all the way around it and everything. You see the lighting effect. I might turn on the lights in the studio a little bit so we can so you can see a little bit better. But like I said, little Sony branding, and you have your right here. You got your power button, higher volume, lower volume, play and pause, as well doubles as, and the power button also doubles as your Bluetooth syncing button as well. Also, you have your NFC right here, so you can go ahead and sync it up by NFC. But right now, I already got it paired and everything. Let's see how this bad boy sounds. All right, so I got some copyright-free music right here that I had the rights to. So I'm gonna go ahead and play the song, and here we go. And also, I'm gonna measure how loud it gets with the meter as well. All right, here we go. Let me start this from the beginning. Get it to max volume. You can see the lights on here. Get the max volume. Pretty loud speaker. Sounds pretty good too.
Sitting in class, straight nothing do. Gonna start this party up, how about you? Spelling on track, shoot straight off the rack. People love to hate, let them choose their own fate. Cut the top off the can, cause you know I'm the man. Name got a swag that's straight out the back. Your girl come me up, had to let her know what's up. No, I'm straight crazy, act a little lazy. Always Converse, spitting through the next first, you know I rap all brand. Other teams garbage, beat a brother down, then shoot up his apartments.
Doing whatever I can, always be scheming and making my plans. Doing everything from popping bottles to making trips to Japan. Wanna know when I come by because these chicks know I stay.
Alright, I'm gonna pause it for a second, and I'm gonna take out the decimal meter so we can go ahead and find out how loud this speaker actually goes. All right, let me go ahead and push play to get the music started. I'm gonna go ahead and push the power button on here. I'm gonna go ahead and push play, and we're gonna measure to see how loud this bad boy gets. All right.
Ha, do drop out. Don't you wanna be an awesome guy? Me, out in the bed, so much better than the rest. I don't really wanna brag, but I never feel a test. I will always
max volume.
Got to speak, blast clean out your chest. I'm about to take you for a ride. Better be naughty like Bonnie and I'll be Clyde. And I rhyme in time. I like sweet Caroline and girls that are fine. When you step to me, you know who I be. I'm the only rapper with a PhD. I go to the club acting crazily, do everything amazingly. Well, can't you tell? Now you know I ain't never been to jail. Yes, I did work in sales, making all the girls on me heart swell. When I was a kid, yes, I watched Keenan and Kel. Sometimes I know my feet might smell. No, I've never used Axel gel. I still love me a fairy tale, read very well. It's something swift. I know a girl named Tinkerbell. I know there was an egg that fell.
Oh, I messed them up. I pushed the button on the phone. I'm sorry about that. Let me go back. I messed it up. There we go.
Here I go, take it slow, from the ceiling to the floor. I'm the best through the west, the hood poses no threat. I'm the one you wanna be, top of the Christmas tree. You can catch me fishing, brother straight dancing. Got the ladies wishing, my music steady bumping. Little boys pumping, got me like Drake when I'm singing karaoke. Don't make me have to choke you, that might just provoke you, yeah. You could tell Lil Wayne to step to the table. The dish has been served and I want that record label. When I'm getting money, the people think it's funny until I'm leaving stanky, broke and I want it. When I hit the club, they all show me love. I'm only 14, but I'm getting my dream. I'm like Wiz Khalifa when I'm rolling papers. No, I'm not.
Alright, it looks like the highest I got on here, I saw it go to 104, but I'm thinking it looks like so far when I pushed the hole, the highest was 100. Let's go ahead and rewind the track all the way back. I'm going to try it one more time so you guys can see it. I'm going to take it off the hole. Take it off hole. Slow it down. And I want to get it to the max volume. Alright, let's try it again.
Nothing new. Gonna start this party up, how about you? Spelling on track, shoot straight off the rack. People love to hate, letting choose their own fate. Cut the top off the can, cause you know I'm the man.
Okay, the second time we got at 109. So as you can see here, this speaker right here is a very, very, very loud speaker for its size. And like I said before, this is the older version speaker because now they have the XB32. So this is the model that they're pushing out, and so that's why I got such a good deal on it. So regular price is $149. If you can get this bad boy for the price I got it for $49, so basically got $100 off. And then I just happen to have also a $20 coupon, so I actually got it for $29. That's with tax and everything, free shipping. Man, grab it, grab it, grab it. And, you know, as you can see, it got the little light features on here and everything. And you probably can't really see the lights too good because of the lighting in it. I got so much bright light in the studio. But and there goes the famous train. Every time we do a video, we got a train. But you know, right now, like I said, when they push them out, if you see them at that low price, go ahead and snatch them up. I mean, hey, $49. Hey, you know, that's a good price compared to $149, basically $150 the regular price. And I'm pretty sure there's still some stores out there selling them at the regular price, you know, because they haven't gotten the new XB32s in or whatever. But whatever, you know, whatever the case is, if you can get it, get it. You know what I'm saying? It's got good bass, as you can hear right there. So if you're in the market for a Bluetooth speaker and you want to get something right now and you catch these bad boys on sale, you know, $49, save yourself $100. You can get two of these for the price. The regular price of it used to be $149, so you get 2 of these. So you saying $49, rounded out to about $50 a piece. You get 2 of these for $100. So for the regular price of $149, you actually can get 3 of these bad boys for the price of, for the regular price. Right now, at $49, you can get 3 of them for the same price they charge you for 1. So that's a no-brainer. All right. That's not for me rambling. I appreciate you guys taking out the time to check out the video. The video went a little long. Like I said, I was trying something new with my decimal meter. I just got a review on it. Also, if you have any questions, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below. I appreciate you guys taking out the time to check out the video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell so you're notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. And like I said in the beginning, once we get to that 2,000 subscriber mark, I'm gonna do giveaways of some of the products I review right here on the channel. Like, say for instance, had I bought 3 of these for that same price of $150, once we get that 2,000 subscriber mark, I would have said, all right, let me go ahead and do a giveaway on one of the speakers, because I wouldn't need all 3. You know what I'm saying? But that's just trying to give you an example of what's in store for the channel once we get to that 2,000 subscriber mark. So once we get there, whatever tech products I'm reviewing at that time, then I'll go ahead and do a giveaway once I hit the 2,000 subscriber mark. So go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and be on this journey with me, and go ahead and be a part of the channel. Everybody, I appreciate you guys subscribing to YouTube, to my YouTube channel, Loose Screws and Views. Tell a friend, tell a friend. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. And let me see. The message for the day is, be a team player. And what I mean by that is not only in sports or whatever, in life, be a team player. Be a team player when you're in the workplace. Be a team player with your family members and your friends. Be a team player. Don't be that person that's always, throwing off your putting all the extra weight on everybody else. Be a team player. That's the message for the day. This has been your boy Mark, Loose Screws and Views. Drop the mic. I'm out. Peace.